Yeah, my generation, why? It's just what we do. Yeah, now where were you when the towers fell? When folk washed away under broke levees and tsunami swells? And it ain't hard to tell, so white like it's hard to see. A separation of Uzi shells and artistry. Guess it's the heart of me, flowing like an artery that can't figure for the life of me why our army be overseas fighting. Bin Laden been hiding, oil fields guarded. Why the fuck soldiers been dying? Now I'm the first to salute the troops, send them prayers. And the first to give a middle finger to the fucks who sent them there. And brother, why would I ever care? How tit for tat get us anywhere? Come on, what's the method there? How's that gonna see peace? When did hip-hop die? Probably the same night as ODB. When we gonna realize hope is free? You can call this a love song, you can call it poetry, whatever. So we say what we say like it's all or none. Cause we're the ones there when the problems come. So we're the ones trying to change the world. My generation asks why we fight. We fight, we fight, we fight, we fight, we fight. With a fist to the sky, we fight. We fight, we fight, we fight, we fight, we fight. With a fist to the sky. What happened to the power of one man's voice when boys my age died from one man's choice? Happy sipping brews in the sun with the boys. All I need is a push button, fuck a Rolls Royce. How long we gonna let cash rule in the habit of not appreciating what the planet's got? I stopped, switched off the idiot box, fuck a channel swap. Why not? It's real life when the camera's off. I'm like Martin Luther King with a dream, and it sure as shit don't involve Gretel Colleen. Make use of my God-given right to speak. No threat of bombs dropping's gonna silence me. Ain't it worth it if we die free? When did hip-hop die? Probably the same night as B.I.G. This from the heart, piece by piece. You wanna call this a love song? Well, it's sweet by me, whatever, man. So we say what we say like it's all or none. Cause we're the ones there when the problems come. So we're the ones trying to change the world. My generation asks why we fight. We fight, we fight, we fight, we fight, we fight. With a fist to the sky, we fight. We fight, we fight, we fight, we fight, we fight. With a fist to the sky. And mad props to the trailblazers, no path guide to show the way they made. We don't ask why, we just laugh how the industry was so damn blind to hip-hop from our backyard. No gang signs and no cock nines, none of that, nah, just hot rhymes from our own kind. Young Aussie minds, why some push poison like the love's there for exploiting. How long can the culture avoid them? Why bother? We good, brother, they took cover, they mainstream, even our big names hooked up underground. I'm asked how I grind till I'm beat, like why would I stay? Bro, why would I leave? It's one life, why make do with less? They said hip-hop died, but that's a lie in the AUS. We going strong from strength to strength. Aussie youth of today backed us, so we represent for them, my dudes, man. So we say what we say like it's all or none. Cause we're the ones there when the problems come. So we're the ones trying